Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Huawei Band 11 Pro, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Basically, if you're bored of your current or default watch face, you can always change it to something else and hopefully that will improve the aesthetics of your device. So let's get started. So first you will need to wake up the screen on your smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen. So press and hold on it to open the watch face menu. And here we have the list of watch faces. You can scroll through it, look for something you like, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize the watch faces. Some of them have this custom button under them, and this allows you to change the style, for example. And if you swipe left, you can also change the functions, the complications. You can tap on the pull and select something from the list. Like this. And once you're done, you can tap on the watch face to apply the changes. And now I have 2 step counters on the watch face. Very interesting. Okay, you can also add watch faces to this list. So if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on this more button. And basically you can use the Huawei Health application to do that. It tells you to scan the QR code, and basically it will bring you to, like this. It will bring you to the basically download of the Huawei Health application. But I already have the Huawei Health application, so I can open it on the phone that is already paired with my smartband. So if you want to add more watch faces, you will need to have the smartband paired with a phone. You can open the Huawei Health, and here you can tap on devices, and we have this Huawei Band 11 Pro on the list of devices. Tap on it, and under the smartband you will see this. You will see this watch faces category. You can tap on more to open it. And this is the watch face store, and you can scroll through it, look for something you like, and you can basically apply some watch faces right here once it's done loading. Okay, I'm gonna select the free category. Oh, there's no results in free. Okay, so apparently only ones that are available are for, you need to pay for them, exactly, to be exact. So I won't be able to show it now because I don't have a card assigned to my account. So I won't be able to show you how to download them, but basically you need to tap on the watch face, tap on install. It's installing anyway, interesting, and it's applied. Very interesting. Even though it says you need to pay for it, you can just apply it. Oh no, this one was actually free. Never mind. So I managed to find a free one. Oh, there is also a free one. So apparently the free category doesn't work. Okay, so there's some free ones, but you need to look for them. Okay, so basically that's how you add additional watch face. And basically that's how you change the watch faces on this smartband. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.